A lot of what we use today, the chemicals, are made from oil. Polyester in our clothing and other textiles, all of that started as oil or a derivative of oil. And this is not sustainable. Alternatives come from biomass like plant matter, sugars, but again, these may not be so sustainable when we look at land use changes and things like that. So we're interested in finding new starting materials, new inputs to processes that we can transform into valuable chemicals. And to do that, we're looking at waste streams. So like CO2, this is a product of industrial activities, food and agricultural waste. Obviously, we throw a lot of food waste out. Maybe we can turn that into, say, bioplastics. And finally, plastics as well. So the plastic, end of life crisis is upon us, and we need to sort out that challenge. And so we turn those waste plastics into something valuable, like a biodegradable bioplastic. That would be really interesting. So we're using new microbes and new approaches to do that. The Center for Innovative Recycling and Circular Economy, or CIRCLE, is a global center which engages 40 researchers across 7 countries and includes 20 plus industrial partners. And so our goal is to find ways to take these waste streams and to transform them into valuable products that we need every day. What's really different about this center and what I'm really excited about is that we're integrating process systems engineering from the start, so that we have this really strong biology core, synthetic biology core, but we're thinking about the processes around that core that will make them scalable and hopefully bring our technology to the world. And that's really something that the University of Waterloo is adding into that center and that I'm really excited about. I'd really like to live in a world where we don't have to worry about the stuff that we need to live the lives we want to lead. And I hope that my research can contribute to that world.